Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today we are making beef kebabs. They are so flavorful. The spice combination is amazing. So let's get started. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. Let's get right into the ingredients. You will need a Sirloin steak chunks, red pepper chunks, red pale onions, garlic powder, Sriracha salt, black pepper, Sylvia's rib rub and more seasoning. This is my favorite seasoning, and avocado oil. So let's get started. Start by marinating the meat. Into the Sirloin steak cubes, we're gonna add garlic powder, black pepper, Sylvia rib rub more and seasoning, avocado oil. Give it a good mix. With this recipe, we are not going to add salt. We'll be using Sriracha salt. Toss in Sriracha salt. One thing I like about this recipe, most of the prep can be done in advance because everything is cut in small pieces. They cook up quickly and are easy to serve. Mix, then cover and chill in the fridge for at least 30 minutes. The longer the better. Soak wooden skewers in water for at least 30 minutes before using them to cook. That way the skewers are waterlogged and won't catch on fire while you are cooking the kebabs. Thread the meat and veggies onto the skewers. Place them on a tin foil-lined baking pan. Please guys, don't forget to subscribe and to hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And if you are new to my channel, welcome to Mama Bui's Kitchen. This delicious beef kebabs, guys, pairs well with cucumber salad or toast green salad. Now we're gonna cook this under the broiler for about 3 minutes per side. There you have it, guys, beef kebabs. Until next time, bye. Honey for my honey, bye my honeys.